Hello everyone! Ever wondered what is the secret to maintaining a healthy body and a sharp mind? While exercise and supplements are helpful, they aren't enough to keep us healthy on their own. What we eat every day is even more important because our food provides the essential nutrients our bodies need to function properly, prevent diseases, and stay strong. Eating a balanced diet with a plenty of whole unprocessed foods like vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins gives our bodies the best chance to thrive. So while exercise and supplements have their place, making good food choices is the key to long-term health. By fueling our bodies with the right nutrients, we can support our immune system, maintain a healthy weight, and even slow the aging process. Japan has some of the longest living people in the world, and their daily diet might be the one of the reasons why. Their meals are often full of fresh, nutritious foods like fish, vegetables, and rice, which help them stay healthy and live longer lives. The Japanese diet is known for its variety and balance, incorporating foods that are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This suggests that what we eat every day plays a big role in their well-being. Some foods can make our brains work better and keeps us healthy, just like they do for the elderly people in Japan who lives longer lives. These foods are rich in nutrients that support brain function and overall well-being, helping us stay sharp and healthy as we age. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish, for example, are known to improve cognitive function, while the fiber from vegetables aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut, which is closely linked to mental health. But hey, not all Japanese foods are healthy. In fact, only about 15% of them are truly nutritious. Popular dishes like ramen, gyoza, tempura, and curry may taste great, but they can be high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium, making them less healthy choices. These dishes should be enjoyed in moderation, especially for those who are mindful of their health and well-being. In the Philippines, many people often depend on fast foods and instant meals, which are packed with unhealthy fats, sugars, artificial ingredients. These foods provide little nutritional value and can lead to long-term health problems. This unhealthy diet can cause obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even affect our brain health. It's important that we start making better food choices to protect our health and enhance our quality of life. In the upcoming videos, we'll focus on the healthiest Japanese dishes that are not only good for you, but also easy to prepare. For those wanting to try out healthy Japanese recipes, you can find the ingredients at Japanese grocery stores like Mitsukoshi and Japanese stores in Green Hills. Any Japanese store will do. So get ready to turn your kitchen into a place where food truly becomes your medicine. Stay tuned!